Welcome to our 25th anniversary wedding week in cabin number 14498. This is an Excel aft suite. As you enter the room, you've got a nice little floating table right here, your light switch, and that requires your room key that slides in right there. And then this little floating table also comes complete with an electrical outlet. Very nice for phones, cameras, if you need something to charge up right there. Then you swing around, you've got this door, we'll come back to that later, but boom, there is your living room. Very nice, very spacious living room area with a nice lamp. I understand it makes a nice touch to have this on when you come back in the evening. Very nice ambiance, along with a USB plug in the back right here. It's got a full-size chaise lounger, little table and chair, and then underneath you have 4 drawers. These are all soft close. You have a refrigerator and then another 4 drawers right there. You've got a full-size TV. You have a couple of shelving units up top. These are your bands for Loft 19. Very, very cool. Private area only for Excel suite guests. You also have binoculars to look out over your expansive balcony. We'll get to that balcony in just a bit, don't you fret. You've got a nice phone. Comes complete for customer service and the concierge service. We've already gotten a call, see if we need any dinner reservations. And then also a nice plug, American plug right there. You have a nice little dinner table for 2. Nice little touch from Carnival. Excel aft suite guests. Get a little bottle of bubbly and a nice fruit basket right there. So you've got a very expansive room. This particular room, cabin, sleeps 5. So you've got a Pullman bed right there, and then you've got 2 more people sleeping right there, and you also have cabinet space in here. Now, all the Excel aft suites does have these cabins or these closets right here. Lights come up. This particular one has the ladder because it does sleep up to 5 guests. So you've got all that area right there. So as you can see, very nice living room, but where do the masters sleep in this particular cabin? That would be, boom, the master bedroom. Yes, a second room just for sleeping quarters, full king-size bed. It's got a reading lamp over on the side, along with a USB charger on either side of the bed. And then you've got another large screen TV right here. Very expansive area right here, plenty of walking room. You've got a makeup mirror, which is very, very cool. Rhonda is going to love that for the week, along with 3 English or American type plugs and 4 more USBs. And then you've got another phone right here. So you have no drawers or anything underneath this. This is all open. You do have cabinets on either side. And then for your clothes, because that does look a little small, don't you fret. We've got a full, boom, walk-in closet. There's plenty of space to hang all your clothes, full-size suits, dresses, that type of stuff. A couple of baskets underneath. You're safe right here. And then you've got these drawers that actually scroll out, and you've got them for your shoes. By the way, I think I already mentioned everything is soft close right there. So you got the makeup area where you're going to shower. Boom, your master bath right here. Very, very cool. Look at this double sink. Is that not the best? And then under the double sink, you also have your hair dryer. Could not figure out for the life of me where the hair dryer was in this room. It's actually found in the bathroom area. So you've got storage space over here. You've got storage space over here. And then you've got cleaning space right here. This is a master shower if I've ever seen one. So we're gonna hop in right here. There is a rainfall shower head. Oh, but it gets better. You've got a couple of jets right there and a couple of jets right there. There is your controller for everything. And then everything in this Excel aft suite comes with Elemis, body wash, shampoo, and conditioner. So that is a tour of the bathroom. You've got plenty of towels all over the place. And then your water closet comes in here. You can actually break this off. It's got a little pocket door right there that can actually open and close. You have your toilet right there, and then another sink right here, along with a mirror for shaving or makeup. And then you've got plugs right here, European plug and 2 USBs right there. And then a European plug and 2 more USBs right up here. A total of 11 USBs in this particular cabin. That is phenomenal. You've got a second entrance or exit right here. Brings right back out to the foyer and the living room area. Now, the best part about this suite is the balcony. Let's go show you this thing. We've already had lunch right here. This is a table for 4. We've had Guy's Pig and Anchor and Shaq's Chicken right here on our balcony already this afternoon. A couple of chaise loungers, what John Heald calls a rumpy pumpy bed. So you've got plenty of space to come out here and look at this view right here. You've got all this and all this to enjoy all week long. You have an entrance and exit both from your bedroom and your living room. But wait, there's more. Check that out. Yes, a little side alleyway right here. You've got a little table, a rocking chair, a love seat for 2, and then a jacuzzi. Oh, we're going to enjoy this all week. By the way, I have read the fine print. Swimsuits are optional in this jacuzzi. Look at the views. Full glass right there, so you're not going to be messed up. Got plenty of privacy. We are on the port side. So you've got all this view right here. You've got Guy's Pig and Anchor right below there. And then you have the summer landing right as you cross over onto there. So you've got all this space. Nice pool for some people watching. Way up top, we are on deck 14. There is only one above us, which is deck 15 right there. And then you've got the Tides pool. We picked this particular cabin because we did not want the Tides pool area, the chairs and all that kind of stuff, scraping above our room. So we are one down from there. It's got a little bit more sun, has just as much space as everything else. These rooms come with complimentary bubbles package, complimentary laundry for the week, complimentary concierge service for dining. It's got access to Loft 19, complimentary. You've got the bubbly, it is loaded with amenities. But that's our cabin tour. We are going to enjoy our 25th wedding anniversary right here on the Carnival Mardi Gras, cabin number 14498. Bon voyage.